Hey you guys, it's your girl Just Behave and I am back with another video, and today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I have purchased from the company JC Beauty Concepts. If you guys watch my channel, probably don't, but I don't know. But if you guys watch my channel, y'all see that I always use this monomer because I just always started with it. But I came up on some new monomer from Glamour Nail Supply that's on sale for $11 right now, so I'm gonna head up over there because your girl trying to save her coin. So with this bundle I paid a total of $42, but online right now, oh I'm sorry after that made noise, but online right now they have a bundle deal that's gonna give you everything except a little bit smaller for $35, so you should go check that out. But this comes with the extra bonder. Y'all know the bonder is just to make sure the nail adheres to the acrylic. And you know, the next thing comes with the dehydrator, which is gonna make sure your nail is dry of oils and everything so that you don't have any lifting. And the next thing that it came with was antifungal, and I was really impressed. Like when I went into the nail supply and the girl was like, it comes with all of this for $42. I was like, let me get that. So it comes with monomer as well, and it's a nice size bottle of monomer, y'all. It's not no little baby bottle. And then it comes with a half an ounce of colored powder. So I got hot pink. I don't know why I got that, because I have hot pink and I don't feel like I use that color a lot, but whatever, it's cool, I'm gonna use that. And this is the hot pink. And the next thing is this, y'all, and I am so happy about this because this is the color that I use, cover blush, when I do ombres and stuff, and when I use nude, because it looks so good on all skin tones. Y'all should definitely get it, and it applies really smooth. I must say, like, with this company so far, with the stuff I have, like, it applies really good. Really good. So y'all, this is the bottle that I had originally, and I paid like $16 for it. And look at this, y'all. It's so huge compared to the one that I bought. I'm so mad, but now I'm never gonna need the color again. I'm thinking about giving away the small one, but I don't know if I want to give out, you know, open acrylic, so I might just buy one and give it away so that someone can experience the nudity, okay? But I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys so that you guys can see. And I also have a red one in this small one as well. And I did a really cute like set with this red one on my Instagram. Follow your girl, JLux Nails, period. But I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it so that you guys can see how it looks and how the acrylic applies. And y'all do not remember this color, but this hot pink more than likely on their website. They don't have like dramatic names. Maybe they do, I don't know, I haven't looked. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just watch it. And y'all, it applies really good in my opinion. It doesn't marble, it doesn't do any of that, like, at all. Like, it's very, you know, smooth, and it goes wherever you want it to go, and it pairs really well with their monomer. And y'all, I always heard, like, you know, you would want to use the monomer of the company that you bought the acrylic from. And maybe that's the case, but I don't care, honey. I ain't trying to buy no monomer for all of it. But no, this monomer goes really well with this acrylic powder, but I use this monomer for everything. But like I told y'all, on Nail Supply Glamour, they have a sale. I got like I got 3 monomers, like 8-ounce bottles for like $11 and some change. So cool, I was on it, okay, because I love a good discount. I do not like paying full price or nothing. I always want a discount. And I'm not going to say that that applies to like life and stuff, like with people's services. I'm talking about for like products and stuff. Like if I go to your nail supply store and I buy for $100, I'm expecting to get like a $10, 10% off. I need a discount in some way, so I feel appreciated for supporting your business. So even if they take $1 off, I'm grateful for that. Thank you. But as for people's services and stuff like that, like waiters, you know, nail techs, hairstylists, I don't ask for discounts because we don't get that. But as for stores and stuff like that, best believe I'm gonna go look for the BOGOs, period. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the cover blush. And I'm just opening the bottle so that you guys can see, like, it's full to the brim. That's how I like it, for my coin, for my money. And y'all, if you're a beginner, you should definitely get this because it has all the necessities that you would need to do a healthy full set. You'll be able to get your dehydration, You'll be able to go ahead and put that antifungal on. You'll go ahead and be able to put that bonder on. And you'll have like 2 acrylic powder so that you can slay you a set. And you can pick what colors you want. I just chose these 2 colors, but you can pick whatever color you want. And practice on yourself and slay you some nails, and it's actually like a good quality product. So you'll learn how to manipulate, some good acrylic and know, a good product from the jump so that you don't go buy BS out there. So, consider this. $35 is a freaking good deal. And do y'all see that? It's applying so smooth. It's not separating. I'm not fighting it or anything like that. I'm just applying it really slow. I don't know why I was going this slow. But yeah. You see that? It just melts into like, look at that. Yeah. Slay. Alrighty, so this is how the cover blush looks. And as you guys can see, it's just a nice, beautiful nude. And this is the hot pink, and y'all look, period, it's popping. So I definitely recommend that you subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna put y'all on to the good stuff. But I know how hard it can be beginning to do nails or doing nails, period, because it's an investment. So you want to get yourself like some quality products and make sure you get products that you can actually use. And I feel like if you're about to go to nail school or a beginner, this is a great bundle pack because it comes with everything that you need, and it's not a watery system, and it's not so over the top expensive. Or you can even go to the $35 one online. It depends on what deal you find in your area. But y'all, I highly recommend y'all get these products. Like, they're really good products, and it's affordable, and they have like a bunch of different colors and little small collections, like kind of like Mirror Secret and stuff like that. So y'all should definitely go check this company out, JC Beauty Concepts, period. And if this company is watching, let me get some coin because I'm putting y'all on to the high life, okay? I'm just kidding, but not kidding. But anyways, see you guys next time.